Mr. President, honorable ministers, UN agencies, development partners, distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen. On behalf of the government of the Republic of South Sudan and my delegation, I would like to sincerely thank the government and the people of Kenya for their kind hospitality and hosting this important UN Environment Assembly whose focus is pollution. Distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, South Sudan experienced a wide range of environmental problems, on top of which is environmental pollution as manifested in air, water, and soil pollution. The pollution problems in my country can be attributed mainly, on the one hand, to inadequate pollution management infrastructure and services, like solid waste collection and air quality management and others, for rapidly growing urban populations, and on the other hand, to improper land use practices increasing urban population, loss of biodiversity, and most importantly, oil drilling activities in the Sud wetlands, which has been designated as a Ramsar site since 2006. Distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, the government of South Sudan adopted the South Sudan National Environment Policy in 2016. This policy put emphasis on pollution prevention and control, waste minimization, reuse and recycling with the aim of optimizing resource use and reducing adverse environmental health impacts. This policy also subscribes to the polluter pays principle, which calls upon the party responsible for producing pollution to pay the damages done to the natural environment. The government of South Sudan has banned the use and importation of plastic bags, and the Ministry of Environment and Forestry is also in the process of developing regulations and environmental guidelines for the extractive industry in a bid to ensure sound operations in the oil fields and gas and mining sectors, respectively. Distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, lastly but not least, I would like to once again, on behalf of the government of the Republic of South Sudan, to thank the United Nations Environment Program. Before I close, and as South Sudan is one of the countries severely affected by the pollution from oil products and spills in most areas where oil fields are found, I would like to appeal for support and technical assistance on pollution management, knowledge generation and sharing, and raising awareness about the detrimental impacts of pollution on human health and the environment in my country. Finally, and most importantly, I wish to affirm the political will and commitment of the government of the Republic of South Sudan in tackling environmental pollution issues. In conclusion, I would like to wish the Assembly successful, fruitful deliberation. We hope this meeting will guide our future endeavors in managing environmental pollution in an integrated manner in our respective countries. Thank you for listening.